Hi everyone, here's how you can make a simple dog face DIY using paper plates. Here's what you need. You need paper plate, you need brown chart paper or color paper, black sketch pen and two eyes. You will get it from any stationery shop, and light blue paint. So let's get started. Color the white paper plate with the blue color and cut brown chart paper in shapes like this and staple it on the sides as shown. You get these eyes in the stationery shop. Just stick it using glue. Cut the shape of the nose using brown chart paper and stick it, and draw a simple mouth using black sketch pens. And here you have your simple DIY ready. It is a very nice craft activity for kids. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.